Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two hot drones, the VISNEE newest drone on the left and the ATTOP drone on the right. It's a battle of tech, flight, and features. Who will soar and who will crash? Let's find out. Alright, let's start with the price. The VISNEE is flying in at a budget-friendly $59, while the ATTOP is cruising at a cool $99. So, if your wallet's feeling a bit light, the VISNEE might be your new best friend. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? Let's see if the ATTOP can justify that extra $40. Reviewers appreciate the VISNEE's affordability, especially for kids and beginners, but some note issues with durability and functionality. On the other hand, the ATTOP's higher price is justified by its advanced features, though some users have experienced initial setup difficulties. Next up, camera quality. The VISNEE boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree manual adjustment. Not bad, not bad. But the ATTOP? Oh, it's flexing with a 2K 120-degree wide-angle camera. That's like comparing a decent selfie to a professional photo shoot. Reviewers say the VISNEE's camera is good for basic aerial shots, but lacks electronic stabilization, making it less ideal for high-quality photography. The ATTOP, with its superior resolution, is praised for capturing stunning images, though some users found the app unresponsive. Now, let's talk about flight time. The VISNEE offers a solid 30 minutes with its two 1,800 mAh batteries. Meanwhile, the ATTOP gives you about 20 minutes with its two 1,100 mAh batteries. So the VISNEE takes the cake here. More airtime means more chances to crash into your neighbor's tree. Just kidding. Or am I? Reviews for the VISNEE highlight its longer flight time as a major plus, while the ATTOP's shorter duration is a common drawback mentioned by users. Both drones have that one-button takeoff and landing feature, which is a lifesaver for us clumsy flyers. But VISNEE throws in a 3-speed gear flight mode, making it perfect for beginners. On the other hand, ATTOP has some fancy tricks up its sleeve. You can draw a route on the app, use voice control, and even show AV gesture to snap a pic. It's like teaching your dog new tricks, but way cooler. Reviewers find the VISNEE's ease of use appealing, especially for kids, while the ATTOP's advanced controls are loved by tech enthusiasts. Speaking of cool tricks, the VISNEE can do a 360 degrees flip, circle fly, and has obstacle avoidance. It's like the ninja of drones. The ATTOP, however, has a built-in G-sensor compatible with VR glasses. Yep, you heard that right. VR glasses. You can immerse yourself in a 3D flying experience. Just make sure you don't walk into a wall while you're at it. Reviews praise the VISNEE for its fun maneuverability. But the ATTOP's VR compatibility is a standout feature for those looking for a more immersive experience. Safety first, folks. The VISNEE has altitude hold and headless mode, so it won't go rogue on you. But the ATTOP steps it up with a low battery warning and emergency stop feature. If you're like me and have a knack for getting your drone stuck in precarious places, these features are a godsend. Reviewers appreciate the VISNEE's basic safety features, but the ATTOP's additional safety measures are highly valued, especially by parents. Both drones are foldable and come with handy carrying cases. Perfect for when you want to show off at the park or impress your friends at a barbecue. The VISNEE is great for beginners and kids, while the ATTOP, with its advanced features, is ideal for those who want to take their drone game to the next level. Reviewers note the VISNEE's portability and ease of transport, while the ATTOP is favored for its advanced capabilities despite being slightly bulkier. Overall, reviewers find the VISNEE newest drone to be an affordable and user-friendly option, especially suitable for kids and beginners. However, some have faced issues with durability and functionality. The ATTOP drone, while more expensive, offers advanced features and a superior camera, making it a favorite among tech enthusiasts, despite initial setup challenges and shorter battery life. So which drone is your pick? Are you Team VISNEE with its longer flight time and beginner-friendly features? Or are you Team ATTOP with its superior camera and advanced tricks? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.